Okay, so the kitchen is a mess. It is Thursday evening and we are starting prep for Kellan's second birthday. So Kellan's second birthday is coming up on Saturday. So I am starting prep on Thursday because I'm by myself. Like I have Dad, he's great. But usually, you know, you would have like my sister that would be helping prep and stuff like that, or my sister would be cooking something and I'd be cooking something else. But I am strictly cooking by myself. Dan will be manning the grill, but he's not very confident with the grill, so I'll be helping him with the grill. But I am prepping some green seasoning.
I'm gonna make you mine. There's something special about your love. I think it's one of a kind.
We are starting to prep for Kellan's birthday. Time to celebrate. We are having a little get together. You know, we're not doing anything too big, but Kellan didn't have a big first birthday, so this one is definitely something that we want to do bigger and better. And now we're in Orlando, so yeah. So right now I'm prepping what they call green seasoning in the Caribbean. A lot of Caribbean islands do this. Jamaica, my mother did something, but she didn't call it green seasoning. She did something similar to this, which was just like onions, bell peppers, green peppers, thyme and stuff like that. I am doing a more traditional like Trinidadian version. So this one has red peppers, green peppers, culantro, a little bit of cilantro, because cilantro is not my favorite. Some thyme, I put a little bit of ginger, scallion, or green onion, whatever you want to call it. I think some people call culantro shadow benny. So in the Caribbean, there's like a million names for a bunch of things. I am adding in some allspice right now. I'm gonna crush it. I don't know if you can see that. I'm gonna crush some allspice and add that to that as well. I'm gonna tip it off with a little bit of olive oil and then put it in the food processor. This green seasoning pretty much goes on everything. I always saw my mother do this like her version of the seasoning, like the day she was making the food. Like I said, Trinidadians, and correct me if you're Trinidadian, you're like, we don't do it that way. But from what I know, Trinidadians do this and they stock it in their fridge for like a year or two or whatever. Or you can buy like the already prepped version of it. I am going to make my own. Yeah. Trying to clean up along the way. So my bang up of the pimento berries, allspice berries. Okay. So I'm gonna just I need garlic. I'm gonna add some garlic last and put it in a food processor. I'm gonna go with, I really like garlic. Mr. CaribbeanPot, I believe is the YouTube channel. I'm gonna put his link in the bottom. I love him. But you know, I'm horrible at saying people's like YouTube names. But I believe it is CaribbeanPot. He is a Canadian Trinidadian or Trinidadian Canadian. And you know, he was like, do what you love. Put what you love in your items. So I am adding garlic, and I love garlic. So, and I love scallion, so I'm actually gonna put some more scallion in there right now. But I just want to check in on you guys and like kind of show you how it's going. If you don't have any Caribbean friends and family, and you're like, how do they do second birthday parties and stuff like that? Pretty much they're adult parties and the kids are privy to be there. Okay. So start out with the food processor. I'm shifting to the blender now because this is a lot of green seasoning apparently. I might freeze some, you know, we'll see. I guess I didn't know how much to make. Not much to make. I was going to do some steamed fish on the grill. Dan is still putting together the grill that we just purchased. But I have some snapper here, some red snapper that I seasoned already, and I'm probably just gonna end up putting it in the oven because it's kind of late right now. Okay. So let's blend up the green season. So this is the consistency I ended up doing it in. Put a little bit of olive oil in there. I wasn't gonna do any like seasonings in it. Very garlicky. I'm gonna put a little pepper. It has like a nice spice, rounded seasonings. Love it.
I think it's one of a kind. There's something special about your love. I want it all the time. You will always be my inspiration.